Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got chuck roast. And with this chuck roast, I'm going to show you how to make a hearty beef stew from my home to yours. So stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Let's jump right into this, all right? Okay, first what you need, your chuck roast right here. All right, this has been sitting out, got room temperature and all that good stuff. Now, if you feel the need to put it in the refrigerator and cut it a little bit easier, you know, you probably want to do that, okay? I ain't got no problem with it. All right, so I have like about 7 potatoes right here. These are like yellow potatoes. Over here, I have some flour, like a cup and a half of flour, and I got a 1/4 cup of starch, okay? This is 5 cloves of garlic chopped up. This is a whole bell pepper chopped up. This is a half a red bell pepper chopped up. Right here, some celery. Show you guys that. You know, I get my big knuckles out the way, huh? All right, that's the celery. And back here is my onion. This is 1 large onion chopped up. And this is, right here is my beef broth. Actually, it's it's beef broth, but it's our juice. And I made this up by using some paste and some water, okay? So this is like about 3 or 4 cups of that. And right here I have some red wine that I'm gonna be using. See if you guys can see that up close. Camera be tripping. I don't know why it be tripping like that, but it does sometimes. Okay, I have some stewed tomatoes right here, and I will be putting some carrot and peas, not a lot, but just enough in there, probably like a half a cup, because I'm making a big pot of this today. Alright, so I have right here some lard. You can use olive oil or any type of oil you want to use. I have some no salt seasoning. I have some salt, pink sea salt, Himalaya. I have right here some thyme. And back here, I have some black pepper. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and move this stuff, take this stuff into the kitchen, and we're going to go ahead and chop these up in cubes. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. We're just going to go ahead and start cutting this up. Now you can go ahead and cut like this if you want to, so you can get some of this fat off. Don't worry about getting it all off, because you ain't going to get it all off. I mean, you can if you want to, but I wanted you to leave a little bit on mine. Throw that in the garbage. So, okay. You want some type of oil in there too. So you don't want to do too much. You just don't want to be biting down on a fatty piece of fat. Well, that's what I'm gonna be working on next. A nice little knife to fillet with. See all this fat? Get rid of it. Good. Okay. So cut this up chunks. Go like this. Bite sizes. Kick it to the curb. That's all you're doing, guys. And we're gonna have to fry this up. Like sear it, pretty much. And so that you guys know, I don't pre-rehearse when I be on here cooking. I just find out what I want to cook and I just go do it. I don't like sit here and, I probably should, Maybe sometime in the future when I get bigger or whatever. But anyway, I'm done with that talking. Yeah, I don't pre-rehearse none of that stuff. I say what I'm gonna do, and that's what I do. So I'm gonna take like a tablespoon, a teaspoon of this pea sea salt, just like so. Maybe like a tablespoon of this pepper, just like that. I'm gonna mix that up. All right. We're just gonna throw this in here. I have a lid for this. I'm gonna just shake it up and all that good stuff. And if you have something left over, if your gravy's not thicker, don't throw it away. Please don't throw it away. Let me get this lid. So anyway, here's my lid. I'm gonna probably leave that in there so you guys get some jokes in. So yeah, just shake this up like this. Look at it. Looks like it's covered pretty good. And what I do is I let this sit in this for at least about 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes tops. Fucking get well drenched in this flour. Just make it thicker, okay? That's all it does. But I know I need a cornstarch in there to help out with my gravy. So all right, guys, I'm gonna take you over there in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Heating up this. Take me some of this lard. Put it in this skillet. In this pot. Then we're gonna take our stuff. Just start dropping them in there. Get brown on each side, preferably on the top and the bottom or whatever. Then I'm gonna just take them out and just complete the process. I'll show you how that looks in a minute. Okay, guys, we're going to start turning to these stewed meat. I must get me a camera that hangs over. Just trying to let you see this is nearly impossible without putting my head in the way. So yeah, that's all you're doing. Once these brown up, I'm gonna take them out. It's only been in there for about good 2-3 minutes. All right. Yep. 2 or 3 more minutes on this. And then I'll show you what we'll be doing next. Wait a minute. Okay, guys, this is my last batch. I'll let that cook up. Here's the other ones right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that the same process. And then when we get this done, I'll show you what we'll be doing next. Wait a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. That's rather hot looking. All we're gonna do is take us some olive oil, or you can take some more of the other stuff. The lard, put that in there. We'll take our onions, drop that up in there. Burn it. Drop that up in there. Let me turn this right on. It's hot. This light is hot too. I ain't gonna watch it. I'm right up on it. I want you guys to see what I'm doing. This is what's gonna make it a Hearty. This is going to be Hearty anyway. Savory recipe. I'm going to stir that around in there, like so. Like this. About a good minute. Take you some of this flour with the seasoning and stuff in it. Put that in there. It's about 2 tablespoons of that. We're going to stir this around. Okay, you see that? Alright. Take my seasoning, thyme, put me a teaspoon with that in there. No salt. You put a tablespoon of that. Just like that. You got some black pepper, you can put more of that in there. Teaspoon. Mix that around up in there. Get this stuff roasted a little bit. And we're going to put a little bit more of this in there. Another tablespoon. Just to get things working. Like so. Alright, now, here's the lick. The red wine vinegar. I mean, there's red wine vinegar. But if you have that, you can use that instead of the red wine. Okay? You're going to put you a cup of that in there. You're going to sit here and let this reduce. It ain't going to take long at all. Alright. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our meat, pour that back in there. Because it's time to cook this meat. You got to break this meat down. Alright. I know it looks yucky, but trust me, it's going to turn out just perfect. There's your beef broth. Pour that in there. We're going to get us another cup of this. My beef broth is water. I'm going with hot water, guys. Alright, here I am with the other cup. 4 cups. And we may need another one. Because I'm making a big pot of this. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to go with another one. So let me see, make sure. Also, these are 3 cups, that's what's up. Alright, so that was 6 cups. So we're going to need at least, I want to go with at least 4 more cups. Alright, I'm back. So this is going to be a total of at least 9 cups. Because I'm making a big pot. See, 3 right here, 2. So it's 3 cups up in here. Right there, guys. Alright. So we're just going to let this go for about a good hour. And I'll see you guys after I get done. We're going to put our vegetables and stuff in there. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and check on this. See how this looking. See how tender this meat is. Yeah, it's ready for that other stuff to go in here. Take this broth, a little bit of it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me put these stewed tomatoes in there. We're going to put these celery in here. I've been cooking this on medium low for about almost an hour. I got 20 more minutes. Bell peppers going in. Give that a quick stir. That tastes amazing. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Super delicious. Alright, the potatoes. So make sure you wash your potatoes out, guys. I'm cutting mine in 4s. Just like this. So yeah, I'm just cutting these up. Just like so. The bigger ones I probably cut twice. So yeah, this is all we're doing. We're gonna let this cook, guys. There's 7 potatoes, yellow potatoes. We're gonna let this cook. I think I want to put another one of them cans of tomato, stewed tomato in here. That's right. Alright, we're gonna let this cook for about 45 minutes and show you what we'll be doing next. Okay guys, I'm done. There it is. This is how you make my hearty beef stew. And this is how it looks. I ain't finna hold it too long, fam, because this stuff is hot. Alright. Guys, you need to go ahead and make you some of this. Guarantee you to fill your stomach and keep you warm in the winter time. Alright, so please, if you like this video, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget to hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out.